saving time, I'm going to do a quick safety briefing now. We did it on the train yesterday. That way we can still get back here the time we told everybody. When you're on the train, you're welcome to roam around. There'll be 2 different cars. When you're crossing from car to car, there's a push button on the door. You just push the button, it opens automatically, it'll shut automatically behind you. Between the 2 cars, there's a couple of ramps. As the train's moving, the 2 cars will move up and down. So just be careful, take a big step over those ramps because they can pop up. Don't want anybody to trip crossing from car to car. There's restrooms on both cars, men's and women's. I think, are we going to have snacks? Where's Marty?
Yes, we are.
Okay, we'll have some snacks. We should have broke those out now, and then nobody would have noticed that the train's late.
Do that.
See what else. Once we get on, or maybe before, if we have a chance, we'll take roll so we know who's on the train. If we have any type of incident, there'll be a couple of conductors that work for the Union Pacific on the train. Myself. We should have a Union Pacific police officer also. Contact one of us if you need anything. If there is any type of issue, we'll ask everybody to sit down and give information. If you have a medical issue, we have first aid kits, AED, heart monitor, fire extinguishers on board. Again, let one of the conductors or myself know.
I'm not doing a safety brief because I have no safety. I don't know anymore. I mean, I don't even know what I'm doing here today. What are we doing? I'm just here for a train ride and free muffins. That's what I heard. So, I mean, I think John wanted everybody in the next car for the safety briefing.
We already had one. We had it on the platform.
He had it on the platform? He gave it, okay. Was it good?
Yeah.
You know, he said to beware of pineapple.
Really?
He's got the bar kind of high for you, so you better.
Oh man, I can't stand that. Okay, I quit. I'm going off. Stop the train. Let me off right here. Anyhow, sorry we're late. What happened is that there's switching in the yard. We couldn't get out. So what we did was we just slept until we left. Nice. But anyhow, this car here is a dome lounge car. It was built by American Car and Foundry in 1953. So most of the stuff you see here is as it was in 53. The restrooms are in the bottom of the car, right under us. So if you need to use the restroom, they're under us right here. There's a coach car that was built in 1954 behind us, and that's the 55. Okay, I got my days mixed up. That's the Texas Eagle, and you got to check that out. Also, that's a good car. The bathrooms on that car are at both ends of the car. There's a men and a women's restroom. So that's it. Anybody have any questions about anything else? Yes.
A lot of power for a short train. Why 3 engines?
Because that's what UP gave us, and so that's what we're going to use. Originally supposed to have the Heritage units on here, but right now they're in Roseville getting worked on because they had some problems with it, so they couldn't get them. So we have of course you guys are lucky, we have the dirtiest units in the system right in front of us. They haven't been washed in 6 years, so that's really a high point. Yes?
I don't want to be up there. Even up there. I don't want to be there.
Like the backyard and the front yard of the railroad on both sides here. It's usually about 25 feet either way. A lot of people don't know that. So if you're actually walking along this property like I did when I was a teenager, I was trespassing. I was violation of 369 of the vehicle code. I've been penal.